speed limit in the Autobahn now.
It brings a tear to my eyes.
Ah, man. Looking for a castle, how to get up there. And we are here in the industrial zone. We got by the Porsche factory. We have all these DPD trucks everywhere. I still don't see the castle. Oh, there it is. There it is. That's where we want to go. But we can find a way up there. Getting close. Maybe. Guess we found it. Mira qué lindo. Oh, Ari. Mira. No, sí, nosotros.
Mira, yo lo tenía aquí. Mira.
Mira, viste. We made it. Darling. Smile. Found it. Oh man, we almost gave up today looking for this beautiful castle that I could see from the highway. And man, this is really, really nice. Inside those holes in there, there used to be the statues in there. Oh, this one moving. Check this place out. Yes, darling. Cold in here. Let's see how we get up there to the main terrace. See some stairways here. Let me see what is in here. was a gate there. You can see the hole in there for the arrows. It's really nice here. That's Dali in there. So you got CERN here, so something with the Army, maybe communication place. Let me see what it says here. It's a Emily CERN since 1626. Whoa. It's well protected. I see lights in there. And so that sign there says something about video watch. So they say cameras there, and they're recording the premises here. I see the camera already there. There's one in there, right in front of me, and there's another one to my right. Wow! Check this out. This is carita in there, like a guardhouse. You used to have those in Puerto Rico at the Morro, at the castle. Wow. And wow. So this is like a goes all the way out there. That's the cameras in there. Like a restaurant here. It's close. See the tables all piled up. Well, this is a protection wall here, and that's the mud there that used to be full of water. That's the other outside wall of the castle. And where you see that red thing in there, that's what that it was earlier before. And that's how we got into the castle here, that route there, all the way down there. That's a bridge to the main entrance of the castle. And again, this is a mud for the defenses. See, Dali went inside, but here's a Fußgängerzone. Fußgängerzone Angliere-frei. I think she set some kind of alarm.
Yo no sé, a lo mejor es otra cosa.
No, esa es la cocina. That's the kitchen, and I said cuche.
No, tú dices.
Ahí dice cuche, que es cocina. Cuche means kitchen. Fußgängerzone Angliere-frei. So that means eating zone, the area where you're going to eat. Okay, let's see. I think we can go. Let's go. I say cuche, the kitchen. It's a water fountain. Okay, let's see if we get arrested here. No, mira, it's covered. Well, we go around the castle, and on the left is the wall of the castle, defensive wall from the old days. So now it seems like, no, go ahead, thank you. And now it seems like, you know, it's a door used here as a museum, and also it is a base. Now you can see the IKEA down there and the porch. It's a factory, porch factory next to the IKEA. So it's IKEA, like they say around, or IKEA, like we say back home. And next to it is a porch, a factory. We were down there, we saw a whole bunch of porches outside. There were some guards looking at us with bad intentions, so we didn't stop. But here we are. We found this beautiful castle. Let's continue to explore some more.
¿Quieres?
Let's see. So we want to try this. Good. You can give it to me.
¿Te acuerdas cuando las cogíamos en el monte?
Rica.
Ay, yo creo que aquí no se las comen. Hay muchas.
Están cansados de ella. Well, doing a time lapse here, it might take a few minutes, but I want to catch those clouds in the afternoon here. So the sunset backwards, because the sunset is behind me, but it's shining against those clouds in there. So let's see how we come out. So check this out.